How to install Kelvin single window curtain rod? Watch the video and you can accomplish it yourself. This is a complete set of Kelvin single window curtain rod products and accessories. Decorative head need to buy extra. This is the tool you will need for the installation, so remember to prepare it in advance. Okay, let's get started. Use the mounting bracket base to outline the pre-assembly positions. Mark the punch position for the brackets. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting bracket base. Rotate and lock the bracket base onto the mounted base. Insert the rod holder into the base and tighten with a right-angle wrench. Join two rod pieces with the connector to create a continuous rod. Place the curtain rod onto the brackets and secure it with the wrench. Attach the finials to each end of the rod and tighten them with the wrench.